Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that securely managing your Bitcoin is key. Today, I'm walking you through a full guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Whether you're moving funds for security reasons or just getting more hands-on with your investments, this step-by-step process will make it simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account set up and verified. It's the gateway to your Bitcoin. Also, double-check that you have the recipient wallet's address ready. One wrong character could send your Bitcoin into the void, so accuracy is crucial. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Portfolio, section and find your Bitcoin. Click on it to open your wallet dashboard. Step 2. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually prominent. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Paste it in carefully, and if your wallet supports it, use any QR code scanning feature for extra accuracy. Step 3. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, Coinbase might show you the equivalent in USD or other currencies, so keep an eye on fees. They can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Always review the estimated fees before proceeding. Step 4. Hit Continue or Review to see a summary of your transaction. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. If all looks good, enter your two-factor authentication code if required, and confirm the transfer. After you confirm, your Bitcoin will be sent to the blockchain for processing. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your recipient wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. A quick word of caution: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage to keep your Bitcoin safe from hacks. And never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future together. Thanks for watching.